Congratulations to all the new moms out there. Today, I'm here to talk about something super important and sometimes a bit tricky: breastfeeding. Let's start right with some practical tips and solutions to make your breastfeeding journey smoother. First, get in a good latch. It is the key. Make sure your baby's mouth covers more of the areola than the nipple. A good latch helps prevent sore nipples and ensures that your little one is getting enough milk. You can try different positions like cradle hold, cross cradle, or football hold to find what's comfortable for both of you. Now, let's discuss feeding cues. Babies have their own ways of telling that they are hungry. Look for signs like sucking on the hands, smacking their lips, or turning their heads towards you. Responding to these cues promptly will help establish the milk supply and keep your baby satisfied. Next up, hydration and nutrition. Keep yourself hydrated, drink plenty of water, and make sure you are eating balanced meals. Your body needs extra calories to produce milk, so don't skip meals. Including foods rich in calcium, iron, and proteins can really help. Now, let's talk about some common challenges. If you experience sore nipples, check your baby's latch and use lanolin cream for moisturizing. For engorgement, try warm compresses before feeding and cold compresses afterwards. If you are dealing with milk supply, nurse frequently and consider consulting a lactation consultant. Don't forget about the emotional aspect. Breastfeeding can be overwhelming. It's okay to feel frustrated or unsure. Reach out to support like family, friends who have been there. Sharing your experiences can make you feel less alone and more confident. Another tip: stay flexible. Sometimes things don't go as planned, and that's perfectly fine. Whether you exclusively breastfeed, pump, or supplement with formula, what matters most is that your baby is healthy and thriving. Finally, trust your instincts. You know your baby better than anyone else. If something doesn't feel right, don't hesitate to seek help. Always remember, you are doing an amazing job. I hope these tips help in your breastfeeding journey. If you have any questions or need more support, drop them in the comment section below.